Meaning of gumshield.
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 Gumshield. A gumshield is a protective device typically worn over the teeth and gums during contact sports such as rugby, football, or martial arts. It helps to absorb and distribute impact forces that could otherwise cause injury, such as a blow to the face or head. Gumshields are commonly made of a thermoplastic material that can be molded to fit snugly around the teeth. They are an important safety measure for athletes who participate in contact sports, and are often required by sports organizations and coaches to ensure the well-being of players during games and practices.